The Chem Killer by Eric Wigg, Trevor Cardone, and Corianne D'Arienzo. Crime scene notes. 5-pound dumbbell covered in blood, most likely the murder weapon. Goggles covered in blood, unusual that the blood is on the front of them. Fingerprint found on the lens. Letter written to Miss Smith about cheating student. The body appears to have been struck while in the chair. Victim a 25-year-old female. Apparent struggle as murderer finished the job. Blood splatter on the window. Evidence. Dumbbell, goggles, anonymous letter. Evidence continued. The body, the chair, the windowsill. Rough sketch by Corianne D'Arienzo. Final sketch. What we think happened. Miss Smith was a respected figure in the field of chemistry and education. Her class was notorious for being hard, but she gave you all the opportunities needed to receive a good grade. Her class consisted of 10 kids: Phyllis, Nigel, Bartholomew, Billie Jean, Eugene, Xavier, Gretchen, Helga, Eric, and Corianne. Eugene, being lazy but intelligent, came up with an idea to easily pass the class. He was going to hack into Miss Smith's computer and steal copies of the test. Eugene successfully got a copy of the test and thought he would make some easy money by selling it to his classmates. His roommate, Bill Waters, found out, and he wasn't happy about it. He confronted Eugene, but Eugene was a big kid, so there wasn't much that Bill could do. Bill came up with the idea of writing an anonymous letter to Miss Smith. The next day after class, Xavier saw Bill giving Miss Smith the letter. Xavier ran to the gym to warn Eugene. When he told Eugene, he screamed. In a blind rage, he picked up a 5-pound weight and ran out of the weight room towards the chemistry lab. When Eugene walked in, Miss Smith was reading the letter. Eugene approached her swiftly and quietly, swung his arm back, and brought the weight down with as much force as he could. He bashed in the back of her skull. The blood splattered all over the table and windowsill, as if a water balloon had a hole in it and was spraying all over. Miss Smith fell to the ground, still twitching with a little bit of life left in her. Eugene walked up to her and smashed her skull in again with the dumbbell. He started to walk away, dropped the weight, and then left the room. This is the mugshot of the very intelligent Eugene. Conclusion. Eugene later confessed to the murder of Miss Smith. His motive was to cover up his crime of cheating in the class. He was charged with first-degree murder and will serve 75 years in prison.